For some reason, I thought that recording my voice while having hiccups would sound cute, but it don't, bae. It really don't. Did they just go away? Right when I oh, never mind, it's back. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to capture what my hiccups sound like. It's not even squeak sometimes, it's just painful. Oh, there goes another one. Should I just talk on random? Oh, okay then. Yeah, there's nothing interesting about me. Oh. I like voice acting. That's obvious. I have a really weird sneeze. I like doodling, and I love. Oop, that sounded really weird. I love baking. I can't cook though. One time I set ramen on fire in the microwave, so that's great. Let's see. I also like sewing. Oh. I've made scarves and blankets, and sometimes I code. I also like singing a lot, and I really love sleeping. That's a pretty normal thing. Oop! That was really loud. My favorite types of audios to do are the yandere audios, because then I get to be a little bit crazy, and that's perfectly fine. I really need a better mic, so hopefully I can get that soon. And I love you all. Bye.